In today's video, you're about to learn one of the easiest methods for making money online. We will show you a website that we give you $20 for every 2 minutes of work you put into it. But there's a catch. This one won't work for those too lazy to watch the full video. If you like to make money online, you must discreetly follow every step outlined in this video. This will be an effortless way to make money online in 2022. I'll guide you on leveraging the best and most useful platforms to earn money really quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. This method works on all devices, whether it's a mobile phone, tablet, computer, or laptop, as long as you have an internet connection. Now, I want you to go to Google. That will be your first step because, as always, I'll describe everything in particular step-by-step order so that anyone can follow along with me while watching this video. This way, as soon as the video finishes, if you followed all of the phases, you will be ready to go out there and make money. So for now, go over to google.com and search for a keyword called Capterra. Spelled out, it's C-A-P-T-E-R-R-A. And press the search button. When you visit Capterra.com, the first thing you'll notice is Capterra software and software reviews. This is a platform that pays you to write various reviews for software and programs. I know some of you will be wondering if we would have to pay for premium software. You don't have to purchase that software. You don't even have to use it. You can get the work done in less than 2 minutes using my tips and tricks. And as always, as I said, I'm going to explain precisely how to do that. Now you will notice that you can browse software and programs with over 800 extra classifications. And within each category, you have hundreds of additional software that you can review. Out of all the products are online right now, you can review them and get $20 for every 5 minutes you spend reviewing them. If you stay with me till the end, I'll teach you how to do that in less than 2 minutes. And how to make over $10 again and again without purchasing the software for yourself. I know most of you will be thinking, this is too good to be true, or there's no way this is for real. Well, I hear you, and I want to assure you that this works and that others earn money with this website. You can see that they are scornful of showing over 1 million verified software reviews, and you can do that math to see how much money people make with Capterra.com. Now that that's clear, you may be wondering why they would pay you up to a whopping $20 for every 5 minutes that you work. The reason for that is that the software owner is willing to pay that money because having more 5-star reviews and positive feedback creates social proof for them and permits them to make more sales. So it's a great return on investment for them, which is why they'll pay you up to $20 for less than 5 minutes of work. The next step for you is to click right here where it displays Report a Review, which will bring you to the next page. As I previously stated, when someone wishes to purchase software or a digital product, they will most likely go online and investigate to learn more about it. If the reviews are positive, they are more likely to purchase the software or product, which is why Capterra is willing to pay you. Oh, and if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. And don't forget to click the bell to get up-to-date notifications. So with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. As you can see, you can review all of these favorite products that other experts are utilizing. They are just a few of the most renowned software programs you can examine. Still, there are thousands and thousands of other software you can write a review about and make money. There will be no lack of ways to make money with Capterra.com. Now, if you go to Browse Sorts, you'll be able to see thousands of other categories of software that you can open up with anything from business-related software to customer service software to data collection software, email software, and so on. And for each of those you review, you will make actual money from it. So as you can see, there is quite a lot of potential just on this website alone. Now let's say, for example, you want to review a software rather than just clicking on it and going straight into writing the review. Here's a handy tip that will save you a lot of time and effort. Replicate or copy the existing software, title copy of the software name, and return to Google to search for that software review. So I'll go ahead and search for the review of X software. You can get all the various reviews here online from which you can get an idea, so you can basically see how other individuals are doing it, what they expressed about it, and how they wrote their reviews. Of course, you can adjust the text a little bit to make it your own, but don't copy and paste it. You won't earn any money because that's not going to fall under plagiarism and the website can penalize you for that. Still, you can get an idea from their reviews and what they said about the software. This will save you so much time since you won't have to spend hours researching. Going via the software, you don't have to spend time learning about the pros and cons. You don't have to spend a lot of money on software to write a basic review. I'll give you a real-life example in a minute, so you can get an idea of how to spend numerous hours and numerous dollars so you can write a review without actually buying the software. So now that you know all of that, allow me to show you a real-life example of how you will complete the review and how you will be paid. So come over to capterra.com. Here, click on Write a Review. That takes you over to this page. Select whichever company's product or software you want to review. Click on it. You'll be sent to the review section to write your review, where you'll need to fill out some info about yourself. They will ask you to put your first name, last name, email address, and other necessary information. Then it will ask you some additional questions, such as how often do you use the software? Be careful about this one, because if you select an option like monthly rather than daily or weekly, it will imply that you're not using the software frequently enough and your review will most likely be turned down. So I would advise going the daily option. The next question will be something like, what is your role and how are you using the software? Obviously, you're just a user because you purchased the software. Now let's drive on to the next one. Now you need to rate the actual software. The overall value of the software, so what's the overall quality? You can go back and see what other people express the overall rating for the software. The better review you write, the more positive the feedback is. It's always better to leave a 5-star review if the software is handy based on other people's reviews. You can see whether it was comfortable to use. The more you complete, the higher your chances of earning money. How likely is it that you will recommend this software to a friend or colleague? For example, I would say 9, and the final step is to give your review a title. You may get ideas from other people's reviews. You don't have to copy and paste the full title. You should modify it a little bit. Now you will write the pros and cons and what you liked the most about the software. You can get an idea from other people. Adjust them a little bit to fit your review. The more forms you fill out, the more details you give them, the more money you'll earn, because more people and more software owners will receive your review. So definitely try not to leave all of anything blank where it says optional. Instead, fill it out and don't be lazy. It will surely pay off. Then you can choose whether or not you switched from another product. For example, you could click Yes, you did, and then specify which product you switched from. For example, if you switched from Excel, I can search for the Excel software. Once you are done, scroll down and tick the bottom by submitting the review. I certify to the associate and its companion that I'm the person. I represent to you that you are you if you registered your real name and last name, and make sure to do that. Make sure to enter the real information, your real name, your real last name, and after that click Submit, and you're done. All of this will take you less than 5 minutes, and you'll be paid $20 for just one review. Well, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, know that you'll start making money. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.